Let me show you how to go from this to this with this. The first thing you'll need to do is head on over to heatpressnation.com and click on Custom Transfers. From there, find the HPN TruePrint DTF Custom Heat Transfers. I was able to fit 2 prints onto a single 12 by 12 inch transfer, but you could pick whatever size you need. Click Build Design Sheet to open our online designer. There you could upload your artwork, arrange your gang sheet, and then place your order. In just a few days, you'll have a professionally printed DTF transfer delivered right to your door. Now it's time to heat press your t-shirt. Set your heat press to 300 degrees for 10 seconds with medium firm pressure. Center your t-shirt on the lower platen and pre-press it for about 5 seconds to eliminate any wrinkles and moisture. Position your transfer on the shirt, cover with parchment paper, and press. When the timer reaches 0, open the press and peel while it's still hot in a quick, smooth motion. For the best results, repress your transfer with parchment paper for about 5 to 10 seconds. And there you go. It really is that easy to have a professionally made, fully custom t-shirt that's ready to gift, sell, or wear yourself. And this process is completely scalable. You could order 1 transfer at a time like I did, or get a huge gang sheet to print all of your customers' orders. The more you order, the lower your cost per print will be, meaning more money in your pocket. And this is perfect if you want to start making money with DTF, but you're not quite ready to make the investment in a DTF printing system. I absolutely love that the only piece of equipment you need to make t-shirts is a heat press. And at Heat Press Nation, we have the largest selection of professional heat presses in the USA. We also have all of the equipment and supplies you need to start printing with direct-to-film, sublimation, heat transfer vinyl, and more. Get your printing business started today at heatpressnation.com.